My name is Lijun Wang. I'm the founder and CEO of CoJourney. CoJourney is a CDMO, so we provide service to help startups, biotech, as well as pharmas to help them to advance their therapy. We provide service for plasmids, AAV, and mRNA, as well as guide RNA. So those are the special services, all GMP grade, that we provide. And we are actually providing the next generation services or processes that really helps advance the to reduce the cost of manufacturing. For example, the plasmids, we're making our plasmid using zero chromatography process, which eliminates half of the steps. So that means we cut the cost dramatically. And because we're lowering the plasmid, the viral vector cost is reduced dramatically. So by doing this, we're hoping to deliver services not only helping companies from early clinical stage all the way to commercial, but also when they get to the commercial stage, the cost to manufacture is reduced so much that that will help them to gain their commercial success. Always have the commercial goal in mind and choose your platform wisely. So when we provide services to our clients, we make sure they don't need to come back and do all the change controls when they scale. So that's how we help our clients to gain commercial success from the very start. I have been coming to Cell and Gene meeting on the Mesa for the last couple years, and I've always loved to be here. The energy, the industry collaboration, the atmosphere, we get so many meetings. It's a lot of good, ecosystem, community, and collaboration going on. So I love coming here. I'll be here next year.